Today I'm going to talk to you guys about stars. We said that stars are formed when a large amount of hydrogen gas and helium were attracted to each other because of gravity, and they were drawn to each other and condensed and got so hot that eventually they ignite and stars are formed. We categorize stars based on what they are made of, and how hot they are. And we have about 7 categories of stars. Our first category is our biggest. O-type stars. O-type stars are the largest and they are the most rare. O-type stars are 30,000 to 60,000 degrees Kelvin. And if you remember, degrees Kelvin is the unit, it's an absolute temperature scale that we use for the metric system. O-type stars, in addition to being very large and very, very hot, are blue in color. Many stars have different colors, and we here on Earth, when we're looking at the sky with our naked eye, unless it is a very dark, clear night and the air is very still, we don't see a lot of their different colors, mostly because of light pollution from the city, or our atmosphere is filtering out their colors. But the star's colors depend on how hot they are. The the B-type star is the next smallest, the next smallest. Its temperature ranges from 10,000 to 30,000 degrees Kelvin. Still pretty hot. These stars appear to be blue-white in color. I guess we'll make it gray. Hopefully you guys will be able to see this. After the B-type, we have the A-type. A-type stars range from 7,500 to 10,000 degrees Kelvin. And A-type stars are where we begin to see a few other elements. We have calcium and magnesium present in the stars, in addition to helium and hydrogen. And these stars are white. After A, we have F-type stars. F-type stars are also calcium and magnesium rich stars, but they are burning 6,000 to 7,500 degrees Kelvin. They have calcium and magnesium. And these stars, because they are burning a little bit cooler, they appear to be yellowish white. I said last week that if there was one thing I wanted you to remember about galaxies, it was that we live in the Milky Way galaxy and it is a spiral-shaped galaxy. Well, here's the one thing I'd like you to remember about stars. G-type stars range in temperature from 5,000 to 6,000 degrees Kelvin. And the reason why this is so important to you is that our sun is a G-type star. So here's our little sun saying hi. So our sun is actually classified as a G2 level star, and the temperature of our sun is can't talk tonight, is 5,800 degrees Kelvin. And our color, if you haven't guessed from my pen, is yellow. So our yellow sun is a G2 type star, which is medium sized. We then have our K-type stars. K-type stars are 3,500 degrees Kelvin to 5,000. K-type stars are being that much cooler. There is iron present in these stars, and they are burning a yellow-orange. A yellow-orange color. And finally, we have M-type stars. M-type stars are burning less than 3,500 degrees Kelvin. Still pretty hot, still hot enough to be a star. These stars are red. They are little and red. They are our smallest type star, and they are the most common. In addition to our page on the types of stars, I want you to include the handout that I gave you on the life cycle of stars in your notebooks.